Here I'll be briefly touching upon stainless steel per se. My presentation is in two parts. The first part is basically giving a flavor about how we have been graduated from 1982-83 to 2025, and how stainless has become so important for our day-to-day life, other infrastructure activities, automotives, and construction. So it will be about 10 to 12, maximum it will be 15 minutes. I'll try to cut short it. I have tried to do full justice to the subject matter of the presentation, and I hope that the audience or the participant would like it. The topic is the championing the use of stainless steel in infrastructure, construction, and automotive. My first part will be brief about the stainless steel, where we are, where we would like to be, and where we would be using the stainless steel. Uh, Stainless steel scenario, automotive is a very important, construction, infrastructure. Then there is a growing demand and consumption. In the year 24-25, we have touched upon 4.8 million tons. Although the capacity is around 7 million tons. It was a 8% year-on-year growth. Over past 5 years, the domestic consumption has grown 85%. The Indian Stainless Steel Development Association project a demands of 7 to 8% annually for the next 2-3 years, and this demand may touch upon 10% nearing to 2030. The per capita consumption, Mr. Bhansali has also said, in our country, it is 3.5 kg, much lower than the global average of 6 plus. We are expecting that it should go to the level of 6 kg by 2030, where we are touching total steel production of 300 million ton. This gap really suggests a significant room for the growth as infrastructure and industrialization. In my subsequent slide, you'll be able to appreciate that how the growth will take place in case of stainless steel. Growth, demand, and consumption, the areas, infrastructure and construction, as you know, railways, metros, airport, highways, tunnel, are the key stainless steel user. Green energy, like new areas like green hydrogen. Everybody knows about green hydrogen, and it is talk of the day also. Biofuels, and in renewable areas also big opportunity for the stainless steel. Urbanization and smart cities, growing urban infra, smart city projects, water sewage systems, are having a very, very pushy demand. Then manufacturing push, growth in Make in India and capital goods across our country as well as internationally. This production, global standing, sustainable and policy tailwinds. India is the second largest consumer of stainless steel globally. In terms of melt production, stainless steel production capacity, India rates after China and Indonesia. The government's capital expenditure has increased, touching 3.34% in financial year 24, supporting infrastructure projects, policies promoting green hydrogen. What are the industry challenges for the stainless steel? Raw material and cost pressure. Demand is strong. Securing raw materials and managing production costs could be a bottleneck. Competition and import, as all of you knows that we are getting a lot of imports from free trade agreed countries especially from Indonesia, Vietnam, and Japan, the stainless steel. So it is really affecting our domestic production. Then infrastructure execution risk, delays in infrastructure projects or budget cuts could affect the demand projection. What is the future outlook? As for the ISSDA, it projects steel demand to reach around 7 to 8 million ton, 6 to 8 million ton by financial year 2030. And India will be pushed further into green hydrogen, renewables, and smart infrastructure. There stainless steel demand for specialized application like hydrogen pipeline, storage will likely expand and increase. With rising urbanization, per capita in consumption is going to further increase and it will go up, narrowing the gap with the global average. Domestic stainless steel producer could benefit significantly because of the demand push by the areas which I have mentioned. If they scale up for downstream value-added capability, example for construction, infrastructure, and energy. What are the implications of stakeholders, the policymakers, supporting stainless steel through incentives for green hydrogen, accelerate sustainable infrastructure, manufacturer investing in technology as well as upstream, downstream integration, capture, and growth domestic opportunity. Investors who gives the money for these projects for stainless steel company in India have a favorable demand outlook. So it's good for the infrastructure as well as green energy strongly. Consumers, infrastructure firms, stainless steel offer a long-term value to the maintenance, making it very, very attractive compared to mild steel. Now, I'm coming to the part two topic. The areas where stainless steels are being used or are being perceived to be used in the near future. I will be touching upon three segments, three sectors. The first one is the infrastructure, the second one is the construction, and the third one is the automotive. It is in these three sectors driving a durable future with stainless steel. Stronger cities, smarter mobility, sustainable steel, shaping infrastructure, engineering tomorrow. Mr. Bhansali has also told you about the usage of stainless steel and how it is being will be used for the future also. Like stainless steel, built to last, designed to inspire, innovating mobility and infrastructure with stainless steel strength. Where we can use stainless steel in infrastructure. It is being adopted in modern infrastructure because it combines strength, corrosion resistance, aesthetic appeal, safety, and long-term sustainability, which is not in case of mild steel. Although price-wise is on the higher side than carbon steel. But if you do the cost benefit analysis, you'll come to know that it's going to be very, very economical if you see the cost of the life cycle of the product. Key application of stainless steel in infrastructure, bridges and flyover, long life, 50 to 100 years with minimal maintenance. Then public transport system, hygiene, safety, vandalism, aesthetic, modern look. Water and sewage system, excellent resistance to chemicals and corrosion, ensuring clean water and low leakage cost. In case of architecture and construction, aesthetic appeal along with the corrosion resistance. Urban infrastructure and civic amenities, high durability and low maintenance in outdoor environments. Public transport system, metro and railway station, roofing, cladding, benches, railings, train coaches, doors, ticket counters, escalators, bus stops terminal, airport infrastructure. What are the benefit? Hygiene, safety, vendor assistance, aesthetic, and it gives a modern look. Then comes sustainability and life cycle benefits. 100% recyclability, low maintenance cost, absolutely no cost for painting, varnishing, or putting any coating. Longer lifespan than carbon steel or concrete. Supports circular economy and green building ratings. What are the economic advantages? Everybody knows that stainless steel has a higher initial cost than the normal mild steel material. Uh, in case of stainless steel, we have a lower life cycle cost, reduced downtime, fewer repairs, especially in coastal, industrial, and polluted environments. Total cost of ownership is significantly lower compared to conventional steel if you see it in totality. Emerging trends. What are the emerging trends? High strength duplex stainless steel in mega infrastructures, stainless steel reinforcement bars replacing carbon steel bars in coastal areas. And I think in government of Maharashtra, it has become mandatory to use stainless steel rebars only in the coastal areas. Smart cities demanding durable, vandal-resistant materials. Now comes the use of stainless steel in construction. It is widely used in modern construction for its durability, corrosion resistant, high strength, hygiene, fire performance, low maintenance, and architectural appeal. It supports both structural performance and aesthetic design, offering excellent life cycle value in building and public infrastructure. What are the application in construction? Structural components, load bearing beams and columns, reinforcement bar, that is the TMT bar, especially in coastal, chemical environment or adverse environment, expansion, joints, connectors, fasteners, anchor bolts. High tensile strength, resistance to fatigue and cracking, and zero corrosion, critical where safety is paramount. And the recommended grades are all normal grades SS304, 316, duplex for aggressive environments. And we are capable of manufacturing these grades. Rather, we are regularly manufacturing these grades. Building facades and cladding, exterior wall cladding, roofing, curtain walls, canopies, fascia panels, decorative exteriors. Interior architectural elements, staircases, handrails, balustrades, elevator interiors, door frames, cabinet hardware, kitchen and hygienic area. Why stainless steel? Everybody must be having in their mind. Why stainless steel? Because it's hygienic, it's easy to clean, durable against wear and visual premium, weather resistance, modern aesthetic look, reflects heat, minimum cleaning cost, and from 40 years to 100 years life. The application in construction, fire and safety applications, water and plumbing system, water pipes, tanks, valve fittings, drainage system, solar waters, building, HVAC piping, urban and outdoor spaces. Again, why stainless steel? Because it's a corrosion resistance, portable water safety, almost zero maintenance, long surface life, excellent fire resistance, and retain strength at high temperature, UV and weather resistant, vandal proof, durable aesthetics. Sustainability advantage. It's 100% recyclability. Extremely long lifespan, 40 to 100 years, low maintenance, no repairing, coating cost, compatibility with LED, IGBC rating, contribution to the circular economy. Economy advantage, life cycle value, low total cost, reduced maintenance cost, reduced structural failures in corrosive environment, higher asset value for premium building, life cycle cost saving exceed 30 to 60% compared to mild steel or coated solution in harsh environment. What are the emerging trends in construction? The smart and green buildings, role of stainless steel, energy efficiency in recyclable material. Coastal and industrial construction, corrosion-proof reinforcement bars. Smart and green buildings, easy to fabricate, high-strength component. Prefabricated buildings, it's a textured, patterned, colored stainless surface. Then smart and green building, long life, structure, and amenities. Automotive sectors, stainless steel has become very, very sought after steel for the automotive segment also. It is a modern automatic engineering thanks to its strength, corrosion resistance, crash worthiness, recyclability, and heat tolerance. It contributes to vehicle safety, durability, fuel efficiency, and sustainability. Use of stainless steel in the automotive sectors, exhaust and emission system, where the temperature resistance is up to 1000 degrees centigrade. Structural and safety components, that is high strength to weight ratio. Then fuel and fluid system, fuel tanks, lines, filter brake lines, crack resistant, corrosion proof against ethanol blends and biofuels, grades common S304, 316, 321. Electric vehicle application, battery enclosures, cooling plates, tubing, bus bars, connector, hydrogen fuel cell plates, heat management, hydrogen resistant. Interior and exterior components, decorative trims, grills, logos, wiper arms, window trims, seat frames, hinges, aesthetic finish and corrosion resistant, plus recyclability in heavy commercial vehicle and in
Sorry
two-wheelers.
to interrupt you, sir.
Uh,
Sir, we are already running out of time. So can you conclude?
1 minute, just
Yeah,
1 minute,
next few.
1 minute. Sustainability at 100% recyclable with the zero degradation. Stainless steel support net zero mobility. Economic advantage. Life cycle cost is significantly lower versus mild steel. The trend is EV and hybrid vehicles. Role of stainless is battery safety, thermal management, hydrogen mobility, bipolar plates, lightweight, emission standard, exhaust laws. So automotive sector, I have explained, is just not a replacement material, but it is a generation mobility. Construction sector, it is not just a premium building that delivers safety, sustainability, aesthetic, and long-term economy. Automotive segment is for long-lasting and low-maintenance infrastructure. Thank you very much.